exploring the phrase, quiet countryside. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, quiet countryside. This phrase evokes serene images and has a calming effect, making it a wonderful example of descriptive language in English. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the nuances of the language, this video will provide you with valuable insights. So, let's get started. Quiet countryside is a phrase composed of two words, quiet and countryside. Let's break them down. Quiet refers to a lack of noise, disturbance, or tumult. It denotes a peaceful and calm environment. Countryside represents areas outside cities and towns, typically characterized by natural landscapes like fields, forests, and farmlands. When combined, quiet countryside describes a rural area that is peaceful and serene, often associated with a slower pace of life, natural beauty, and a break from the hustle and bustle of urban environments. The phrase, quiet countryside, can be used in various contexts. 1. Descriptive writing. It's often used in literature to set a scene that is tranquil and idyllic. For example, she moved to the quiet countryside to escape the chaos of the city. 2. Tourism and travel. Travel agencies or websites might use this phrase to describe a peaceful vacation destination. 3. Everyday conversation. You might hear someone say, "I grew up in the quiet countryside," to give a sense of their background. The quiet countryside often carries positive connotations. It can symbolize tranquility and peace, a break from the stress of modern life. Simplicity, a simpler, more grounded way of living. Nature, a close connection to the natural world and its rhythms. In different cultures, the countryside might also represent traditional values or an idealized, pastoral way of life. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, quiet countryside. It's a beautiful example of how English language can paint vivid pictures and evoke emotions. Whether you're writing, speaking, or just enjoying the beauty of the language, remember the power of such descriptive phrases. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Keep exploring the wonders of the English language.